In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable LEDES billing in Clio. This process is essential for those needing to submit detailed billing information to clients adhering to the LEDES standard, which stands for Legal Electronic Data Exchange Standard. Now, let's jump right in and make sure you set everything up correctly. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Clio. Once you pull up the search results, look for the first link or the one that has the URL www.clio.com. Clicking this will take you to the Clio homepage. Now, towards the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a Log In button. Go ahead and click that to access your account. After logging in, navigate to Clio Manage. This is the core area where you're going to handle all your billing and task management within Clio. For LEDES billing, you first need to enable the use of something called UTBMS codes. These are standardized codes used to represent tasks and expenses consistently across legal billing. As you might be aware, these codes help improve the clarity and precision of billing data. Head over to the Settings section, then click on Billing, and finally, select UTBMS codes. Once you're there, make sure to check the box labeled Use UTBMS codes. This will allow you to select the specific code sets that your firm needs. Some common examples include ABA litigation and ABA bankruptcy, but you can choose whichever ones are most relevant to your practice. After you've made your selections, click the Update UTBMS Settings button to save your changes. In case you have clients who require it, you can also include your firm's ID in the output files. To do this, stay in the Settings area and go to Account and Payment Info, then click on Account Info. Here's where you'll find a spot to enter information into fields like the LEDES Law Firm ID, Tax ID, or GST number. Don't forget to click Save New Information once you've entered these details. Now, onto timekeeper classification codes. Common job titles such as partner or associate are replaced by these specific codes in LEDES bills. You can set these up by returning to the settings and selecting Groups, Permissions, and Job Titles, followed by Job Titles. Once you're here, click on Add and choose Add from LEDES 1998B Timekeeper List. Select the codes that you need before hitting Save and Close. Finally, with those codes now in place, go to Settings and choose Manage Users. You'll want to update each user's job title to reflect one of the new LEDES Timekeeper classifications. And that's it. You're all set up to use LEDES billing in Clio. Following these steps carefully will ensure that you're ready to produce clear and detailed invoices that meet industry standards. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.